Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare NAD versus NR. NAD, or nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, is a fundamental coenzyme present in all living cells. It's essential for numerous biological processes, including converting food into energy and repairing damaged DNA. Maintaining healthy NAD levels is critical for cellular health and overall well-being. As we age, our natural NAD levels tend to decrease, which can contribute to various age-related issues. Understanding its role helps us appreciate its importance. Now, let's look at NR, or nicotinamide riboside. NR is a unique form of vitamin B3 that acts as a direct precursor to NAD. This means your body can efficiently convert NR into NAD, helping to replenish declining levels. Research indicates that NR supplementation can significantly increase NAD within cells, potentially supporting cellular repair, energy metabolism, and overall vitality. It's a popular choice for those looking to enhance their cellular health. So, what are the key differences? NR is a precursor that your body converts into NAD, whereas NAD itself is the active coenzyme. While both aim to increase NAD levels, NR supplements are generally more common and have extensive research supporting their ability to raise NAD effectively. Direct NAD supplementation, often administered intravenously, can be more immediate but also more invasive and costly. Both approaches offer distinct advantages depending on individual needs. Deciding which is better often comes down to personal preference and practical considerations. For most people, NR offers a convenient and effective way to boost NAD levels through oral supplementation. Its bioavailability makes it a popular choice. However, direct NAD infusions might be considered for specific, immediate needs. Always consult a healthcare professional to determine the best approach for your health goals. Also, check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.